doing weights. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a day in the life kind of vlog. I wasn't actually gonna vlog this morning, so it's already lunchtime. We've had breakfast and all that kind of thing. I made choc banana protein pancakes. If you guys want to see the recipe, I'm gonna pop it on my Instagram, so I'll leave that here if you guys want to go check that out. But they were delicious. Andy liked them too, didn't ya?
Yeah. Yeah, only got a little bit though.
Yeah, he only got a little bit. I got the rest, but that was so good. So I'll put that on my Instagram if you guys are interested. Today's Sunday. It's the only day off that me and Andy get together, but Sundays are for adulting. So today is going to involve a lot of cleaning and grocery shopping, meal prepping, going for a long walk, all that kind of fun stuff. So it's just a very chilled day in my life. As you can see in the background, the dishes have piled up overnight, so we're gonna start off by doing the dishes and doing the washing and just like general cleaning. So I hope you guys don't mind cleaning montages and just like very chilled day in the life type vlogs. But yeah, I really miss vlogging, so I thought I'd vlog for you guys. Clean now. We've done the dishes. Andy did them. And just like tidied up the house, tidied up this area, the bedroom, and yeah, put the washing out. So now we're about to go for a walk. It's 2 o'clock now, and we were going to go to the gym, like we want to go to the gym, but ours is actually closed on Sunday and we don't have the 24-hour key yet. So yeah, we just thought we'd go for a nice little stroll along the beach. It's a bright blue sky day out there, and yeah, makes us happy, makes us want to go for a walk along the beach. So we're going to do that now that we've done all our cleaning, and then possibly go do our groceries. But for now, we're going to go for a walk along the beach, maybe take some Instagram pictures, and yeah, that's about all the updates. Seriously, such a perfect day. I'm so glad today is sunny. There's the river. And all the fancy millionaire houses. It's fake. It's for sure fake. I swear. He's trying to tell me to fault the grass, but I reckon it's fake grass, and he thinks it's fake.
That person is a groundskeeper for it.
Oh, my favourite tree.
Oh, it's the other way.
Nah, it's this tree.
It's this tree.
It's my favourite. It reminds me of like, I don't know,
somewhere
like Missouri? Is that the
Missouri?
Missouri?
I think you're thinking about Mississippi.
No, Missouri.
Missouri?
Missouri. I don't know. Some sort of like American state. That's the stupidest thing I've ever said. Has anyone seen the Amityville Horror? I just feel like that's the type of tree that's like,
house?
That's the type of tree that's at the front of that house. Just like a scary looking tree. I don't know.
Language.
Yeah, that has stuff. Anyway, let's enjoy this beautiful day.
I wouldn't
So we are back from our walk now. That was like an hour and 45-minute walk and it was so beautiful. We haven't actually done that walk before, so yeah, it was very pretty. Oh, this lighting though is like making me super yellow. But now we're just home and we're gonna make some smoothies. So Andy's made a banana smoothie with protein powder. You didn't put any honey in it.
I'm all out.
Oh, so it's literally just banana and vanilla protein?
And ice and water.
That's not gonna keep you very full.
That's an amen.
And that was our only banana, unfortunately, hence why we have to go grocery shopping. But I'm gonna put some frozen mango, spinach, protein powder, and some almond milk in mine because we have no food in the house. And it's such a like beautiful day that I don't really feel like eating anything. I just feel like having a nice little fresh smoothie. So we're just gonna make those and then probably go get some groceries. So we have food to eat for the rest of the day and week. Aww. Literally the cutest little bubba in the whole world. Oh, now he's waking up. We've had our smoothies now. The tank is empty. And we're gonna go to the Good Guys because we have a voucher. Don't know what we're gonna get, but yeah, I'm gonna drive us. It's been fun driving. If you guys saw like my vlog probably a couple months ago of me starting to learn how to drive again. I've been driving a lot lately and it's very scary but exciting. Hopefully I get my license sometime soon. What is this hair? Wow. I'm gonna shower when I get home and wash it, so excuse the gross hair. But yeah, we're gonna go do our grocery shopping now and I'll probably show you guys what we get when we get back. Oh, tired boys. So cute. Yeah. Cuties. Hey guys, so it's been a couple hours later and not gonna lie, sorry mum if you watch this, but she kind of just ruined the rest of my vlog because my mum called me like halfway through grocery shopping and I was planning on doing a grocery haul when I got home and then showing you guys our dinner. But my mum just talked to me for like 2 hours, so all the groceries are already put away. Maybe I can give you like an overview. Let's give you a quick, easy grocery haul just to make it a bit more interesting. So Andy's over there cooking up beef and we got some turkey because for my lunch prep I'm gonna make turkey bolognese this week. We got chicken, we always get chicken. I got some almond milk. What else did we get? We got some apples, some beans, broccoli, carrots, lemons. Wow, what an interesting haul. We got, I don't think we got anything for the freezer, but by the way guys, I bought this like 2 days ago, the caramel macchiato flavor dairy free, and it is so good, so I highly recommend it. We picked up sweet potato and bananas. They run out of sweet potatoes and they run out of bananas, so I have to go back to the shop and pick up those. I got some high fiber pasta. I like to have this one for my meal prep because it's got more fiber in it, I guess. Oh, and we also get the no added sugar tomato pasta sauce. We got some honey, some coconut cream. Literally all I can think of right now. I don't think we got that much. I just bought turkey and pasta so I can make meal prep, and then we just bought chicken, brown rice, sweet potato. But yeah, it's a bit of a weird week because we have Anzac Day off, which is the Wednesday, and then I have Thursday off work, so I don't really know what I'm doing or anything yet. I'm planning on seeing some friends, so we didn't really buy too much food today just because we don't know what this week will bring. But I hope you guys somehow enjoyed this vlog regardless. I'm sorry if it was really boring. I'm hoping to vlog a bit more from now on because I really do miss vlogging. But yeah, please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button to be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.